Okay, as you'll see here, there has been released an official statement of Brian and Gabby's investigative report. This is from Moab City Police Department. It was investigated whether they did anything wrong or do they think they did anything wrong. And if you haven't already heard this or read it, this was actually released on January the 12th, which was 3 days. I have been reading on it. I have 2 parts ready to drop now, and I'm fixing to drop those as well. But wanted to let you know it's kind of like, the Watts discovery, because this is actually a discovery from Moab into the Petito Laundrie investigation, and this is of course, statements from the officers and the investigative report. So this is 102 pages, as you will see. It is not the 2,000 pages that we had to do on the Watts case. So this one is going to be quite shorter. There will not be as many parts. I'm also going to, up in the corner, I will also be playing in a small screen the actual cam footage, both of them, from when this event took place that is under investigation or was under investigation. So, it's very interesting. And if you haven't heard it or read it, I think if you were one that followed the Petito case, you're going to want to listen to it or read it. If you don't want to listen to it, let me know, and I will just send me an email, and I will be more than happy to forward you the PDF, because sometimes these things, as we learned in the Watts case, they will get redacted, and they get redacted heavily throughout. They just do. Little parts of it, little pieces of it, it can get redacted. So I went and I downloaded this almost basically when it came out, about the exact moment it came out. I would have it, So, okay, guys, without further ado, let's get right into reading this discovery.